8,000 years ago, in the wealthiest city the world has ever known, one man discovered a secret so powerful that it turned slaves into kings and empty purses into vaults of gold. His name was Arcad, and today, his secrets are finally yours. Imagine you have a basket, and every morning you put 10 pieces of fruit into that basket. But every evening, you take 9 out. What will eventually happen? Eventually, the basket will overflow. This is the first secret to wealth, Arcad's first law. For every 10 coins you earn, spend only 9. Keep at least 10% for yourself, for your future. This coin is not for spending. It is a seed to be planted for your golden tree. Keeping gold is the first step. Making it work for you is the second. Arcad taught that every coin you save is a worker, a slave that must breed more slaves. Invest your gold where it is safe, but where it earns a steady stream of wealth. Do not let your treasure sit idle. Let it labor for you day and night until your wealth becomes a river that never runs dry. But beware, gold attracts those who would take it. Arcad's third law: guard thy treasure from loss. Do not invest in things you do not understand. Do not trust your gold to a brickmaker to buy jewels. Seek advice only from those who are masters of their craft. Better a small return with safety than a great risk with ruin. The secrets of Babylon are simple, yet they remain the most powerful laws of money ever written. 1. Save 10%. 2. Make your gold work. 3. Protect your wealth. If you found this ancient wisdom valuable, subscribe to join our circle of wealth builders. Your journey to the Golden City starts today.